Today, I'm talking about Glycetra, a blood sugar support supplement that claims to help regulate glucose levels, support metabolic health, and improve overall wellness. And I'll break down whether it actually works or if it's just hype. According to the official product pages, Glycetra is marketed as a natural formula combining plant ingredients like berberine, bitter melon, cinnamon bark, juniper berry, white mulberry leaf, biotin, and chromium that are said to support healthy blood sugar balance and even cardiovascular health when taken regularly. These ingredients have some research suggesting they may aid in glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity, but that doesn't guarantee this specific product offers real clinical effects on its own. On the official sites, customers share testimonials about feeling more stable glucose levels, better energy, and improved blood pressure. And most claims highlight a 60-day money-back guarantee and natural formula made in the USA. However, independent investigations raise red flags about transparency, noting that there are no peer-reviewed clinical trials or verified studies proving Glycetra's effectiveness as a standalone treatment or cure, and some reviews report mixed results with only slight benefits or none at all. There are also concerns about the online presence and legitimacy of some Glycetra websites, with low trust scores on site safety checks and potential scam indicators, so consumers should be cautious when purchasing and check refund policies carefully. Overall, while Glycetra contains ingredients that might have general health value for blood sugar management, the lack of clear scientific evidence and mixed user feedback suggest it should not be relied on as a sole solution, and consulting with a healthcare provider before use is strongly recommended.